Take a look at
any
this.
YouTube channel that focus on AI tube and explain in detail like how to money AI.
And this.
I'm so tired of pretending I'm okay. I smile, I laugh, I say I'm fine, but inside it hurts more than I know how to explain. It's like I'm screaming on the inside and no one hears it.
This one too.
我們很少談論寧靜的時刻，那些無人注視的時刻。當你靜坐沉思，沒有干擾，沒有噪音，只有你自己。停頓，輕輕的手勢，真理就在。
This AI tool generates super realistic video with any input dialogue. Since last month, VEO 3 and Kling 2.1 model have been breaking the internet since their release, while some content creators could not access them due to high prices. What if I told you there is a newly released AI tool that is complete with VEO 3? It generates realistic video with any dialogue and handles various emotions. Not only that, it generates video with different languages, unlike VEO 3 that only generate video in one language. The best part, it is completely free, unlimited, and open source. You can also install it locally and be using it offline, and it even works perfectly well on low VRAM. In this video, I am going to show you how to use this tool step by step and how to install it on your computer. Now, you may have heard about VEO 3, which was released some weeks ago. It went viral because it could directly generate videos with audio. You can get people to talk seamlessly just from a single prompt. But this new AI tool is like VEO 3, but free and open source, and even better than VEO 3 because you input the audio and make your character say anything you want. This gives you total control on how you want your audio to sound like. Let me show you some of their demos.
Come on, it's time to go. I booked the table for 8, and I'm not sure exactly where the restaurant is.
Hey, Allie, relax. This isn't work, this is a night out.
As you can see, it not only works with a single character, but multiple characters. Here's another example.
一会儿啊，我就按照这个顺序带着大伙儿游览一下咱们这太阳系。
哦，就按照这个水金火木土这么一个顺序。
Not just talking or lip syncing, it animates your input scene and makes the character talk like a human being.
只愿与你共赴未来，岁月流转习未见，时光温柔如初见。
This is another video. You can see that this tool is really impressive.
Tell me the weight of all these years that smooth green band has seen.
This is a video of a person singing with body movement. As you can see, the video is not lip syncing or whatsoever. It animates the entire body, singing and playing instruments, and also animates other objects in the background, like firewood and others. Here's another example of someone singing in another language.
每一个瞬间都值得珍惜，与你共度每一个明天。
You can see that it is not about making the head and mouth move, but the entire body. You can check their website for more demo on what the tool is capable of doing. I will leave the link for you in the description below to check it out. So let's try this up. You can access this tool online or by installing it locally. The AI tool I am talking about is Hunyan Video Avatar AI tool. Hunyan Video Avatar is a Chinese-based AI tool that allows users to create high-fidelity, audio-driven human animation for multiple characters. It achieves precise emotion alignment between characters and audio and enables multi-character audio-driven animation using a multimodal diffusion transformer-based model capable of simultaneously generating dynamic, emotional, controllable, and multi-character dialogue videos. So let's start with online. Click on Try It Now. It will direct you to the registration page. You will see something like this. Change the language to English by using Google Translate above if you are using Google Chrome browser. Click on the email option above to provide your email address for registration. Click on Get Verification Code, and the verification code will be sent to your inbox after click on Login. You will land on the home page like this. This is where the magic happens. The online version of Hunyan Video Avatar tool has 2 features, which are text reading and upload audio. Text reading basically means text to speech, where you are going to write your text in the audio transcript box below, and select voices. For example, let me just write something here and select any voice templates. We have different voices to choose from. Let me select the first one and click on play.
Good morning to you all.
Let's try the second one. Temperamental and graceful.
Good morning to you all.
It's good. This one doesn't have a Chinese accent too much. You can explore all the remaining voices to know the one that fits your project. But for me, I usually don't use text to speech. I upload my audio by using the upload audio feature. In case you want to try this yourself, I am going to upload an audio clip. Make sure the clip does not exceed 14 seconds. And if it exceeds the limit, the tool will automatically cut it off. So take note. Let me play it for you.
Hey, sometimes we get so caught up in life's noise that we forget the simple, powerful truth. We're allowed to be happy right now. Not tomorrow, not when everything's perfect, but now.
Good. For the image, I am going to upload an image of a man to match the audio. Click on the upload image below. If you are trying to upload your image and telling you this, it means your image size exceeds the required size. So your input image aspect ratio should be 704 by 1280 or 1280 by 704. So let me show you how to do that. I will be using an online image resizer. The link is in the description below. Upload the image to the website. This is the image I am trying to upload on Hungan Video Avatar. We are going to change the size to the required size, so write 1280 under the width and 704 in the height section. If it keeps disappearing like this, make sure you unlock the aspect ratio below and rewrite the number again. This is the original image size in pixels that was rejected by the tool, and this is the new one we want to download. Click on the export button below. It will proceed to the download page and you will have your new image pixels. Download the image and repeat the process for the remaining images you want to use. Go back to the Hungan Video Avatar website and upload the new image. You will see that the image is now uploaded. Another thing I want you to take note of is that you can't input a prompt on this tool to guide the video generation, unlike other AI video generators. This is the limitation of the online version, but you can do that on the local one. Then click on Generate. The tool will begin the generation process immediately. It usually takes a few minutes to generate. Let's see what the tool generates for us.
Hey, you know, sometimes we get so caught up in life's noise that we forget the simple, powerful truth. We're allowed to be happy right now. Not tomorrow, not when everything's perfect, but now.
As you can see, this is really impressive, very super realistic. The lip movement is good and natural. You can see that the tool detects where there was emphasis in the audio and it makes the subject speak with that emphasis. For example, where he says, hey, and also where he says we allow to be happy. It notes to place emphasis when he said those words. Also, the animation is very smooth. The hand movement while emphasizing on some words is really impressive. The tool is able to animate the scene with minimum error. Let's see if the tool can handle different languages. I upload Chinese audio file.
你知道嗎？我們很少談論寧靜的時刻，那些無人注視的時刻。當你靜坐沉思，沒有干擾，沒有噪音，只有你自己。停頓，輕輕的手勢，真理就在那裏。
I upload the image of a Chinese man in the image section, then I hit the generation button. Let's see what the tool gives us.
你知道嗎？我們很少談論寧靜的時刻，那些無人注視的時刻。當你靜坐沉思，沒有干擾，沒有噪音，只有你自己。停頓，輕輕的手勢，真理就在那裏。
Very nice. You can see that the lip movement is really natural. Facial expressions, hand demonstration, and the entire body movement is super realistic. This is really fantastic. His hand has 5 fingers and moves very natural. No distortion. Everything just looks very realistic. You can use Hungan Video Avatar to generate video with different languages, which you cannot do on Google VEO3. I want to check if the tool can handle side view video of someone talking. I upload audio clip and also upload the image of a woman talking on a phone. Let's generate and see what the tool has for us.
Listen, this isn't just about one mistake. It's about responsibility. It's about people counting on us, counting on you. And we can't keep brushing that off like it doesn't matter. You don't just get to disappear when things get tough.
Very fantastic. The tool is able to animate side view portrait image and even do lip syncing. The facial expressions are very real. The hand movement, body movement looks so real. Despite the fact that we are unable to push the video generation feature with a motion prompt, the tool is able to animate the video very well. Hungan Video Avatar is one of the best Chinese AI tools I have ever seen. I upload a German language audio clip.
En vous basant sur son expression faciale, écrivez une voix off d'1 minute avec des émotions de lui disant quelque chose de significatif en fonction de son humeur, avec quelques expressions dans ces mots qui se rapportent à son image et à son humeur.
And image of a man sitting on a sofa chair to see if the tool will be able to generate the video like the Chinese one. Then I click on Generate. Let's see if the tool will be able to understand other languages rather than Chinese and English. Here's the result.
En vous basant sur son expression faciale, écrivez une voix off d'1 minute avec des émotions de lui disant quelque chose de significatif en fonction de son humeur, avec quelques expressions dans ces mots qui se rapportent à son image et à son humeur.
Very fantastic. The mouth movement is super realistic. I also like the hand movement while emphasizing some statements. This is really cool. Before we move on, let me quickly show you this. Did you know that you can make $100 per day by posting AI-generated video on this website? AITube allows users to generate and upload their AI-generated video on their website and make money. The tools allow users to generate, upload, and monetize their video whether you are making short or long videos. videos, entertainment, trailer, or kids story videos. You can turn your passion to passive income. Simply click on the link in the description below to get started. Now that we have tested the tool with normal humans, let's check if the tool will be able to animate animal like that. I upload one of the audio clip I used before to the website, an image of a cat looking directly at the camera to the website, but unfortunately the image didn't meet the requirement. So I reduced the image size to 1280 by 704 size. Make sure you follow the steps I showed you earlier on how to reduce your image size online. Then I re-upload the image to the website, then I hit the generation button. Let's see if the tool will be able to animate the image smoothly. Here's the result.
Hey, you know, sometimes we get so caught up in life's noise that we forget the simple, powerful truth. We're allowed to be happy right now. Not tomorrow. Not when everything's perfect. But now.
This is impressive. It is really amazing. The tool is able to detect some emphases and also make the cat react to it. This is very realistic. You can also use the tool to generate emotional video. Let me show you. Upload your audio clip.
I'm so tired of pretending I'm okay. I smile, I laugh, I say I'm fine, but inside it hurts. More than I know how to explain. It's like I'm screaming on the inside and no one hears it.
Make sure your audio carries emotions like this. Upload the image that depicts that mood in the image section below. As you can see, the subject is crying in the picture. I hit the generation button and here is the video.
I'm so tired of pretending I'm okay. I smile, I laugh, I say I'm fine, but inside it hurts. More than I know how to explain. It's like I'm screaming on the inside and no one hears it.
You can see that it looks very realistic. What brings the mood of the scene is the image I used. The image depicts the mood of the scene and what she's experiencing at that particular point. Even without saying anything, the scene already established the mood. Also, the voice used also plays an important role in determining the mood of the scene. So the tool did an amazing job. Assuming you have generated all your videos completely free, but there is a watermark on each of your videos. So what are you gonna do? I will show you how to remove watermarks on all the videos you generated on Hungan Video Avatar for free. We will be using Annie Eraser tool for this. I have provided the link for you in the description below. Click on it and you will land on this page. Click on remove watermark below. It will take you to this page. Click on upload and it will bring the registration page for you to register. Register with your email address and after successful registration, upload one of the videos we generated earlier to the website. Adjust the brush size at the right corner to cover the watermark area. Paint all the watermark area with the brush. After, click on remove objects button below and the removal process will begin immediately and you will have your video like this. You can see that the watermark has been removed. Click on the download button to download. This is how you can remove any watermark from your video. Repeat the process for the remaining videos. Let me show you how to install Hungan Video Avatar tool on your computer locally. Let's look at how we can install this tool for free for unlimited time on your computer without a watermark. So go to Hungan Video Avatar website. The link is in the description below. You will see something like this. Scroll down to the requirement. Let's see the requirements for installation locally. They recommend using a GPU with 96 gigabytes with a minimum GPU memory of 25 gigabyte, but with the new update, it can now use 10 gigabyte thanks to WAN 2GP. So that is what we will be installing. There are two ways to install this WAN 2GP. The first way is to install the Pinocchio app. You can use this if you want a one-click installation. You can get started with the Pinocchio app and after installation of Pinocchio app. Search for Hungan Video Avatar there and start using it. But if you already have Pinocchio app installed on your laptop, you can start using Hungan Video Avatar on it. But Hungan Video Avatar can be a bit slow on Pinocchio app. The second method is to install WAN 2GP manually. Here's the installation guide for WAN 2GP. Click on the installation guide, read the guide, and follow the steps one by one. Since I am using it on the Pinocchio app, I won't be able to give more information on this for now, but once I install it manually, I will make a video about it and show you. But if you want to try it yourself, I promise to provide all the links for you in the description below. If you don't want to undergo the stress of manual installation, or if you have a poor GPU, you can try the online version, or if you have a little high GPU, you can try it on the Pinocchio app. I promise you will love it. This is how you can use VEO3 alternative Hungan Video Avatar for free without paying a single penny. If you benefit one or two things from this tutorial, give the video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.